Welcome back to the channel, guys. Click like, subscribe for the latest content. Okay, in this video, we're going to continue the series of making your own business plan so you can get an SBA loan. Okay, this part is the profit and loss forecast. So you're gonna need one of these when you're trying to fill out for SBA loan. Okay, so um, as in prior videos or previous videos, uh, I explained a little bit about the service base and then the product base. I usually go with the product base because it's the harder one, and most people are just doing it for a product based business versus service based business. So as you can see in some of these demos that uh, you'll see the everything is based on product based business. But okay, so I did a 5 year uh, profit loss sheet. So sales and invoice. How many sales are you projecting um, that you'll actually make within the next 5 years? Now, how would you find these figures? Your figures are again back to research and development. You have to research your business, uh, your competitors, competition. Same thing as competitors. Your market. So you want to research this and see what they're doing, and you kind of want to be in the medium, so in the middle or the lower half of that, because you're coming in uh, versus what they're already doing. So I map this out kind of for you. So just say your sales is $100,000 worth of sales in a business. Say you developed it, you made your own handbags and you sold them and everything, and you made $100,000. The cost of goods and sales are $20,000. Now, in previous videos, I showed you how to come up with that cost of goods sold or the cost. So you have to go into previous videos um, and see how that works on how much you're actually going to put that. And so that bottom amount that you took from that video is actually going to go there, and then your gross profits is that amount. Now your expenses, again, I know we go over expenses a lot, and expenses are a big part of your business plan. You're going to see that on at least four to five sheets of your business plan is going to be expenses and costs, because they want to make sure that everything tracks right. Um, so you guys got to have good, sound research and marketing. Good, sound research and marketing, and how much you're actually going to cost to start up your business. Okay, so all these are very generic numbers. Uh, there's there's no formula for that unless you got your research and development. Okay, so accounting fees. That's if you buy QuickBooks, it's very easy. That's $100 for a good QuickBooks. So I went 100 across. Advertisement is not going to be $1,000, guys. It's going to be a lot more. A lot more. That's in service-based businesses. That's going to be the main cost. Is your advertisement. Um, bank charges if you took a previous loan out to get your business started. Interest is $100. Depreciation, again, depreciation, depreciable assets. Uh, you got a desk or a sewing machine, things like that. Those are depreciable assets. Also, I didn't mention in these in other videos, your vehicle is a depreciable asset. So make sure you keep track of your miles, your expenses on the car. If you use it for business, it has to be used for your business more than 50%. Um, but most of us do, whether it's product space or in your sales. You're mostly using your car to do something, and you can write those things off. So if I'm sorry I failed to mention how important your car and your vehicle is. Um, okay, so electricity and gas, that's only if you now if you're a home-based business, you can only take that 50% off. Okay, and you have to use 50% or the amount of square area that you actually, if you have a home office that you use for electricity. They won't allow you to take the whole thing off. Now, if you're in a brick and mortar store, then yes, you can take that whole thing off. If you're leasing equipment, again, you can't depreciate it. If you're leasing it, um, it has to be something you own. So if you're leasing equipment, that will go there. Insurance is always important. If you need business insurance, you're always going to need business insurance. As far as liability insurance, if you're in a service-based business, you're always going to want some type of liability. So when people try to sue you, they can actually get them paid off through the insurance. Legal fees, if you have any uh, recurring fees, as far as licensing, every business is going to have one because most of them are going to need a sales tax uh, certificate. So that will be your legal fees. Motor expense, I think I talked about that. Postage, telephone, and fax. Postage, if you're actually using postage, you actually write the entire thing off. Phone, um, tax law now has changed. It was 50%. Now you can write off 80%. 80% of your phone bill if it's used basically for your business. And most of us do, whether it's your research and development and calls and stuff like that. Stationery, business letterheads, guys. You guys want to have that. Uh, everything in, everything has to look legit like a business. Rent, if you pay not your home rent, so you can't write your home rent off, or you can't add your home rent in. If you rent out a space, booth, a brick and mortar store, things like that, then you want to have that rent, not your home rent. Home rent that isn't a part of your business. Okay, your home rent is not a part of your business plan. Repairs and maintenance, that iffy. I mean, that's something. If you have a product-based business, repairs and maintenance, upkeep, some of your appreciable assets, security. Uh, again, if you have a brick and mortar store or booth or something like that, then that will come in. The rest of this stuff is transport weight. Now, wages is the big thing I wanted to stress here. So, cost of goods sales, your wages. How much are you going to pay yourself? Okay, that's a part of your total expense. Okay, so how much you're going to actually pay yourself. So don't if you're making $100,000, don't go paying yourself $70,000. Okay, only because you're going to be overshooting your your profit and loss. Okay. Um, Now this is a very generous one. Most of the time you're going to be operating at a loss your first couple of years. Again, you got 3 to 5 years to write off as a loss. Anything after that is considered a hobby and it's no longer a business. Okay, so we have the total expenses here. So let's go back up here. Here's your gross profits from the goods, cost of goods sold that we went over in prior videos. Okay, 80,000. So 80,000 will go down here. Your total expenses with this amount, so that'll be there, and your net profit that's in the business right now. How much is in your business account should be 45,600. That's a gross profit of 80%. How would you do that? You will take 20 times that 20,000 times 100,000 and 8% profit. That's the gross profit margin, and your net is 34,000 um, times this percentage. You should get 46%. Okay, guys. Uh, and you can run through again your market, your research and marketing and development. It's going to actually give you these numbers, so you're going to actually have to go through all this. Now your expenses might change. Some of these might drop off, and you might add some. Um, just according to your research and your development. Um, this is very easy. There's a lot of templates out there like that, or you can use your Google Sheets or your Excel sheets. Just copy it down like this. You can actually just pause the video and kind of just uh, write everything that's going to be in your expense column. Very easy to do. That way, it looks sharp and professional. Okay, guys, click like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.